Hi boys and girls! It is time to do your Monday phonics lesson. So we're going to start off with rhyming. Remember, you listen to me first, then it's your turn. All right. Toy, boy. Blue shoe. Horn, corn. Blow, toe. Past, last. Great. All right, our next one is our onset fluency. I'm going to say a word and then the first sound that it starts with, and then you're going to repeat. Boy, b. Horn, h. Little, l. Come, k. Your, y. Good job. All right, for this next one, you're going to need your choppers out because we are going to chop up some words. We're going to start with pieces of a word, and then we're going to say the whole word together. All right? So remember, watch me first, then it's your turn. B, oy, boy. G, eight, gate. D, eep, deep. K, up, cup. H, orn, horn. Very good. Okay. Next one, we're going to punch it out. So we're going to do our final sound. All right? We're going to say the word and then punch out that final sound. Watch me first, then you do it. Horn. Gate. T. Fruit. T. Us. S. Sheep. P. Very good. All right, we're going to need our choppers at the end for this next one. This time we're going to say the word first, and then we're going to chop it up. All right, watch me, then it's your turn. Look. Ook. Hey. A. Fast. Asked. Will. Ill. Door. Or. Very good job segmenting those onsets and rhymes. All right. Next one, we're going to be adding phonemes. So you need your hands for this. We're going to be adding parts of a word. All right. So you're going to start with the word add. Add s. Sad. Very good. Add. Add m. Mad. Add. Add d. Dad. Add. Add b. Bad. Add. Add p. Pad. Very good. All right. Our next thing we're going to do is we're going to delete phonemes. So you're going to hold a little word in your hands, and we're going to take a part away. All right. The word is hip. Without h, what's left is ip. Very good. Sip. Without s, what's left is ip. Tip. Without t, what's left is ip. Lip. Without l, what's left is ip. Dip. Without d, what's left is ip. Very good. All right, our rhyme today, I'm going to say the first two lines and then you repeat them. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. Good job. We will learn the next two lines tomorrow. You guys have a great rest of your day and see you Tuesday. Bye-bye.